Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to open your TikTok app in mute. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So when you open up your TikTok app, you come straight to the For You page. This is where the videos are played. And if you're in a situation where you need to be quiet, the sound is coming from this app and you will get caught or you will disturb someone. So let me show you how to mute TikTok when you open the app. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. And here you're tapping on settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see playback. Tap on it. Now on this menu here, you'll see Open TikTok on Mute. So videos will be muted by default when you open up TikTok. You need to tap to unmute the videos or use your device volume controls. So go ahead and enable that. And now you want to go ahead and close the app and reopen it. And now once you do this, the volume will be mute. As you can see, there is a speaker icon here with the X next to it. So to unmute it, just tap on that and that will unmute the volume. So there you go guys, that is how to open your TikTok app in mute. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.